Hello again with question paper 2002 May and June sessions. So in this paper we'll continue with the question 16. Question 16 here says, from a harbor edge, the bearing of a ship is 312 degree. The ship is 3.5 kilometers from the harbor. Draw a sketch to show this information. Label edge as the length 3.5 kilometers and the angle 312. So here this is about drawing bearings, and drawing bearings is no more than expressing the angle between two objects. At the same time, geographically they are using it. So if you want to express the location of an object geographically in relation to the north line. So in this case here we have to measure the bearing from the north line. At the same time we have to always draw and measure clockwise from the north line. So here we have let's label first edge, because here draw a sketch show this information. They need the ship is 3.5 kilometers from the harbor. So here is H. So here we have H. Now let's draw north line. Yeah, north line here. This is the north line. Okay, now we are measuring clockwise from the north line. Okay, so now here what we will do is the following. Here we have 300, bearing is 312. That means I will extend this north line here, and I will say that we are always measuring from the north line. From this point, let's say this is a 180 degree. We can use your protractor now and find a rest of 312. So 312 minus 180, this is 2, 11, 3, 132. So we need 332. You can put your protractor here and measure from this side, because you are measuring clockwise, not anti-clockwise. So clockwise, so we'll do it from here. Now we need to have an angle 132 degree. So almost, this is from here to here is 90 degree. 90 degree again, this is 2, 13, 4. So we have 42. We need 42 almost. It should be here almost. This will be the whole from here to here. It will be 200. Now 312. So here we have 312 degree. Now this is the S. Here is S now. Here is S. So here is S. I can say this is, here is A. Actually, now a 3.5 kilometer distance you can measure, and for you should use your ruler and say that 1 kilometer is 1 centimeter as a scaling, each 1 kilometer is equal 1 centimeter. So this is here will be a 3.5 kilometer. Now this is the bearing. For sure here is also we have a north line from us. Okay, now here calculate how far the north the ship is of the harbor. And the idea is easy. A distance here, you can find this angle here, and this angle is clear. Subtract it from 90 you will get 48. So you can say this is a 48, sorry, this is angle here is 48 degree, and they need this distance here. So you could use a sign and you could say it is 48, sorry. So you could say cosine 48 cosine 48 degree equal adjacent, which is this one x here, adjacent over hypotenuse, adjacent, which is x, over hypotenuse, which is 3.5. Or you can find this bearing here, or this, no, I will not say this bearing, this angle here, you can find it, because here is a 90 degree, okay, and here is 48, this is will be 42 degree. That's mean you could use sine 42, which is equal is sine, in this case sine 42 distance, oh sorry, I did a mistake, sorry, x is not here, sorry, the adjacent is not this one here, yes, x, yeah, sorry for this mistake, adjacent here, because we are using the cosine, and the cosine adjacent over hypotenuse. Same for sine 40, which is opposite over 3.5. So you have to cross multiplication, then you will get x equal to sine 42 times 3.5. So here we can write everything down on B. So here sine 42 equal x, or distance d, by 3.5. Now cross multiplication, x will be equal to 3.5 times sine 42, using a calculator now. Sorry. Okay. So here 3.5 times sine L42, which is equal 2.341, corrected to 1 decimal x, sorry, correct to 3 decimal places, so x equal 2.34 kilometers. Yes. Now question 17 here. Question 17 is working with inequalities, and here you have to draw each inequality on this grid. So now on the grid, draw the lines. So x equal 1, that's mean every for any value of y, always x is 1. So this is the line x equal 1. For sure you have to use your ruler. At the same time they need y equal 2, every x, always y is 2. So y is 2, here is y is 2. We have to use your ruler, because you need to draw a straight line, because those are straight line. Now here x plus 1, x plus y equal 5, that's mean y equal 5 minus x. Ly intercept, that's mean x is 0, y is 5, so here is 0, 5. And if y is 5, if 0, y is 0, that's mean x is 5. So here is the point 5 and 0. Now you should connect them using a ruler, will be easy. Even if you want to find any other points you could. So suppose that x is 1, that means y is 4, so this is 1, it will be 4 here. Another point 2, that means y is 3. Also here, let's say x is 4, so 5 minus 4 is 1, so we have 5 and 1. No, x is 4, yeah, y is 1. X is 4, y is 1 is here. So using a ruler and connect these points as straight lines. 4 and 1, sorry, here. Yeah, so now here, for this line here, we have inequalities. Now write R in the region where x is greater than 1. Again here, x greater than or equal 1. Greater means going right or going up. For the line, the blue line, that's mean it's here going right. Second line in red, we have y greater than or equal to 2. That means this line red one will be going up. At the same time, each of these inequalities has equal sign, so we cannot draw dot lines instead of a blank line. So x plus y greater than 5, this is the green one, which is here. Everything will be up. So this is our region here. This is the region that they need. This is the region that they need, and I have to mention it that this is the region that you need it to solve this system of inequalities. Yes. So now here, let's move to question 18. Question 18 here, find by using accurate construction the region inside the circle which contains the points more than 5 cm from G and nearer to H than to G, shaded this region. Okay, so here for sure you need the compass, you need the ruler, you need compass or ruler this one you need them. So compass here you have to open the compass for 5 cm from point G and draw an arc going through H like this. Okay, then you will connect G with H and then bisect it. Bisect this segment. Bisecting this segment, that means there is a line will pass from the GH like this. Let's say this is the midpoint here between G and H. So draw a line now. You will see that in area, a region that they need it, which is closer to B to H, this one here. So the idea is no more than drawing an arc from the point G and passing it through H, connect G and H, bisect this segment and draw a line which bisected GH. Then you will see there is a shaded area between the green and the black here and here. Yeah, so this is the shaded area that they need. Now solve the inequalities here. Solving the inequalities here as solving a linear equation. So here we will add plus 2 x over 3 to the both sides. Here we will have, or we will get now, we'll get this will be cancelled with this, we'll get 5, or even you can now saying minus half to the both sides. So we will get 5 minus half greater than half with minus half will be cancelled. X over 4 plus 2x over 3. So in this case you have to make a like denominator. So here will be 10 minus 1, 10 minus 1, 9 over 2. So here 9 over 2 greater than, here we'll have over 12 both, so 3x plus 8x 11x. Yeah, then cross multiplication, you can do it as cross multiplication. Yani we can do it like this. This is 1 and this is 6. This will give you 11x less than 54. Now x is less than 54 over 11 using a calculator. So 54 dividing 11, yeah, 4.9, 4.91, 4.91. Here, for one reason, we did this for one reason. Always we are rounding to three significant figures, so we have 4.90. 0 is the third significant figure. Beside, next to it is 9 and is greater than 5. So take 1 and give it to 0. So answer will be 4.9. Yes. Now, question B, list the positive integers which satisfy the inequality. The positive integers that satisfy this inequality after solving it, we have to solving. Yeah, we know that it's x less than 4 point, same inequality here. We know it's less than 4.91, so all values of x should be, and they are saying positive integers, that mean 1 starting from 1, 2, 3 and 4. Positive integers. They might use 0. Even 0 has no sign, not negative, not positive. But also you could use it as a number which is less than 4.91. So 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Question 20 here. Question 20 needs find their simplest forms. We have two functions here, so they need f inverse. So we know that the f inverse is no more than, this is x. If you apply f, you will get fx, and if you are applying f inverse, you will get x. This is the same. F of x is no more than y, image of x. So this is f of x. This is no more than f of x equal 2x minus 1. That means y now equal 2x minus y minus 1, and I will rewrite this equation in terms of y, so we'll get y plus 1 equal 2x. That means x equal so here we have x equal y plus 1 over 2. Now we could write it in f inverse of x. Now f inverse of x equal, because f inverse of y is x, so we could write x plus 1 over 2. So this is the f inverse. This is the f inverse. Now for sure you should write your answer here in space provided, always x plus 1 over 2. Now g f of x, this is a composition function. That means you have to put f inside g, and we have f is 2x plus 1 and g of x squared minus 1. So here what we will write the following: g of f of x is 2x minus 1, which is equal to, we will put 2x minus 1 instead of x in g, so it will be 2x minus 1 to the power of 2 minus 1. Now they are asking us to find, so we have to in this case we have to, oh no, not sorry. So now we should expand it here. So we have 4x squared minus 4x plus 1 minus 1. This is will be cancelled with x. So g of x equal 4x squared minus 4x. So this is the composition. This is the composite function. Yeah. And we should write it here. 4x squared minus 4x. If you want to rewrite it like 4x out and then x minus 1, also acceptable. Now here we have a matrix A and find them 2 times 2 matrix P such that A plus P equals 0, 0, 0, 0. So now here what we will do is the following. That's mean what we needed is saying that A is 2 plus P, I don't know, x. So P you could write it as x y x y z d. Okay, not x y, maybe a b c d is better. So we can write it as a b c d, and we will try to find a b c and d. So first of all, a is 2 plus a equals 0. So 2 plus a equals 0. That's mean a equal minus 2. Now minus 1 plus b, minus 1 plus b equal also 0. That's mean b is equal minus 1. Now again what we have 1 plus c, 1 plus c equal 0. That's mean c equal minus 1. Now 1 again plus d equals 0. So 1 plus d equals 0. That's mean d equal minus 1. So here a is minus 2, b minus 1, c minus 1, or d minus 1. So this is the, oh sorry, b minus 1 plus b equal b plus 1. Sorry, here is a plus 1. Sorry, yeah, sorry for this. So minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 minus 1. This is the matrix P. Now find the 2 times 2 matrix Q such that AQ equal 1, 0, 1. Okay, so we can find the adjacent A inverse here. To find the A inverse, we know that A inverse equal 1 over determinant of A times swap the matrix A. Well, matrix A here is 2, 1. So this diagonal here 2 and 1, we will swap it. So here will be 1 and here will be 2. Now next, left is this diagonal here, minus 1 and 1. We will use it, but we will change a sign. Here is 2, sorry. Now we will change a sign. The minus 1 will be 1 and 1 will be minus 1. Okay, this is the called adjoint matrix. Sorry, the adjoint matrix. Now determinant of A, easy to determinant of A. A is equal to 2 minus 1, original A 1, 1. So determinant is 2 times 1, which is 2, minus 1 times 1 is a minus 1. So equal 3. This is the determinant now. So the determinant of A is equal 3. You can write 1 over 3 times 1 minus 1, 1, 2, and this is A inverse. And you should write it here. LQ, sorry. This is A inverse. So if you are multiplying it by this one, you will get Q equal A inverse times identity here. You will get the same, which is 1 over 3, 1 minus 1, 1, 2. I hope it's clear. This one, what I meant it here is once you are multiplying by A inverse, both A inverse times A will give you identity matrix. Identity matrix times Q will give you Q, which is here. Now, A inverse times 1, 0, 0, 1. So A inverse is this one here. If you are multiplying it, you will get it here. Yeah. Okay, now next. Yeah, last question here. Last question quickly. In the circle center O, the chords KL, KL, this one here, KL, and PQ are each of length 8. Okay, M is the midpoint of KL, and R is the midpoint. So here we have midpoint here, and here also we have another midpoint. Calculate the length of OK. Length of OK, this one. This is the length OK that they needed. So we know that this is a 3 centimeter here. Also, this is 3 centimeter here. This is 8, and M is a midpoint of KL. That means this is a 4 centimeter, and this is also 4 centimeter. So in this case, you can use Pythagoras theorem. Well, Pythagoras theorem says this is OK squared. OK squared equal 9, because 3 squared is 9, plus 4 squared is 16. This give you OK squared equal 25. That's mean OK equal 5 centimeter. Now RM has a length of 5.5. RM is RM. Yeah, this one here. RM here. This one RM. It has a length, and also here we have it as a 3 cm, by the way. OR. Radiuses. Okay. Now here, what they want, calculate angle ROM. Angle ROM is here. ROM here, this angle. They need this angle here. We have 3 sides of this triangle. It's not a right angle triangle. I cannot use an area here. So in this case, you have to use a sine and a cosine, a sine and cosine formula. And also in this case, you should use a cosine because you have 3 known sides. So what we will do is saying 5.5 to the power of 2, 5.5 to the power of 2, to the power of 2 equal A square, OR square, it means 3 square, which is 9, plus 16 OM, another 9, sorry, 3 square plus 3 square, 3 square, يعني let's say OR square, this is the rule, OR square and OM square plus 2BC. Here is minus, sorry, minus 2 times 3 times cosine angle, let's name it O, big O. So here you should use your calculator, and in this case using the calculator is not that much hard. So what you need it is to find out, first of all, We have here 5.5 square dividing by, for sure, 9 plus 9 minus 2 times 3 times 3, and this is will give us, oh why wrong, 9 plus 9 yeah, oh sorry, here I did a mistake again. Okay, so let's do it again here. Sorry for this confusion. Yeah, 9 plus 9 here is 18. Okay, so we'll subtract it from 18 up. So minus 18 dividing by, oh sorry, 18 dividing by minus 18 also. Yes, now taken الأنسر taken الساين الكوساين inverse. One 32.8 to one decimal place, it will be 133. It will be 133. This is the calculation in here. RM has a link. Calculate the angle ROM. So 133 degree. So here is 133 degree. Yeah, but we got it here, and this we got 132.8, and if we are rounding it, this is a degree, so we have to round it to one decimal place. So yeah, 132.9. Thank you very much, and later I will solve a question paper 3 2003 inshallah. Thank you very much all.